Welcome to 510 Colice Jeanne Road, located in the No HOA neighborhood in Valley West. It's a brick house. This one-level stunner has been refreshed from top to bottom with accent walls, all new lighting, and a serene primary suite with walk-in shower. And the kitchen. Let's talk about this kitchen. Quartz counters and a large island with a striking tile accent and dramatic backsplash. All new appliances too. Offers a screened-in porch with TV to enjoy that game or your morning coffee. And there's a 2-car detached garage with workshop space. And the house sits back off the road and offers a generous half-acre lot. All of this and more in the heart of Bellevue. For more information or to set up a private viewing, please reach out.